There's not a day that goes by that I don't miss you. I think about what we had. I wish I could go back in time. I wish things turned out this way. I miss you so much and I want it all back. But each night I put my head to my pillow and try to tell myself I'm strong, because I've gone one more day without you. No matter how long it's been, there are still times when I think of you and it suddenly gets harder to breathe. And then I feel sad, because I realize that once people are broken in certain ways, they can never be fixed.
You'll remember me when the west wind moves among the fields of barley. You can tell the sun is jealous sky when we walked in fields of gold.